Hello everyone, I am back again with one interesting video based on simulation and model development. This video too is based on research article number 2, IoT enabled smart agriculture system. I hope you like my previous videos of article 2. This one gonna be very interesting video. So let me start with today's topic about tools and technologies used in IoT enabled smart agriculture system. Look, there are different kinds of tools and technologies we can use which give real-time weather information to the farmers. Speaking about hardware, we need sensors which measure environmental variables such as temperature, humidity, rain, and much more. We need an analog to digital converter too simultaneously, which is MCP3208, to convert analog data into digital data. And this data is processed by microcontroller Raspberry Pi, which has inbuilt Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. The Raspberry Pi is the central part of the system which processes the data and transfer it to the cloud. Got it? I hope you are getting my words. Moreover, there are numerous kinds of GPIO, that is general purpose input output pins, on the Raspberry Pi microcontroller which are required for continuous data flow. Speaking about software tools, we have ThingSpeak platform, which is a cloud-based platform. It is generally used to store, analyze the weather data collected by the different kinds of sensors. Moreover, this platform is helpful in remote monitoring of the data. I hope you understood it. It's very easy. So, this is the model development and simulation model of IoT enabled smart agriculture system. Now, I would like to start with the subtopic model development and simulation. The above shown figure is the simulation model of the IoT enabled smart agriculture system. Let's start with the explanation of model development and simulation. You can clearly see from the model that it has one gateway, display module and SPI, that is serial peripheral interface at the top. Then we have different kinds of sensors and actuators connected at the bottom. The diagram is very easy to understand. Now, I will explain about the different components of simulation model. The objective of simulation model is to show how data is captured, processed, transmitted, and analyzed for users. The explanation of the components of simulation model of IoT-enabled smart agriculture system are as follows, as I have discussed them before too. Number one is gateway. It serves as a main component between the sensor layer and the cloud platform. It has a Raspberry Pi microcontroller. As I told you, it has inbuilt Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, which receives the data sensed by different kinds of sensors, temperature sensor, humidity sensor. So different kinds of sensors sense the data and transfer it to the gateway. Then it processes the data and transmits it to the cloud. I hope you understood it. Now, the second component is display module. It displays the data. Display module means it displays the data collected by the sensors on LCD screen. One LCD screen is there which is used to display the data, and the data is collected by the sensors. This display module basically uses SPI. As I told you, SPI is serial peripheral interface, which is used to transfer collected data to Raspberry Pi. Display module means it is used to display the data. Now coming to the SPI device. The abbreviation I told you, that is serial peripheral interface, and we also call it MCP3208. What does it do? It provides communication between the sensors and the gateway. It provides communication between the sensors and the gateway. Plus, it enables the Raspberry Pi to process and interpret the data accurately and more effectively. Clear? It is a MCP3208. Got it? Do you know how many input channels does MCP3208 have? Let me tell you, it has 8 input channels for interfacing with multiple sensors. This simulation model also has sensors and actuators which are essential for sensing environmental data and helpful in responding changing conditions. Actuators are basically LED lights which are used to indicate specific state based on predefined conditions. For example, if I want to set the condition that turn the LED on when temperature is above 40 degree, then the LED will be on. That means I set a predefined condition. So it will work accordingly. At the end, we have ThinkSpeak platform, which is based on cloud computing. What does it do? What does the platform do? It stores, analyze and share the data to the users. So that's all. I am done with today's class. I hope you understood it. I'll be back again with some new videos. Till then, stay tuned. Have a nice day. Take care. Thank you for watching.